During CES, we actually took you to the TappLock booth. We showed you a couple cool things about this device, but now it's time for the unboxing. So, I'm not gonna lie, not only did we play with this at CES, but also I did go online and I checked out some really cool videos about this. Now, normally I'm not very supportive of any technology I haven't done any research on beforehand, but while looking up the TappLock, I just became so much more impressed with this item. So I won't lie, they did stumble at first, and I'm gonna link a video at the bottom here from a really cool company that, like a YouTube channel, that reviewed this product. And after they reviewed it and they found it wasn't that great of an item, the people at TappLock redid and resent the device, which is really cool. And when the guy checked it again, this is the model we have here, which is the TappLock Plus. He found that it had exceeded past what he believed they were going to do. So, wow, this is heavy. This is a really cool, heavy device. It's even charged. Yeah. So I'm gonna link on that video to showcase how awesomely they've upgraded the item. So you've got this really cool manual. You've got the proprietary lock. So you have the proprietary lock charger, and that just connects on there magnetically. Now this thing can last quite a bit. We're talking about, I believe they said it was around almost a year worth of use before it drains, and you will get alerts in your phone when it tells you that it is running low on battery. And when you can just take it off the wall or thing and just basically charge it up real fast, and then you're good to go. But this thing is really heavy duty. So this bolt here, as you'll see in the video they showcase, it's not something you can easily cut. The metal they use and the way they do it, it's designed specifically to require an industrial cutter, which most people won't have, especially not a lot of criminals. In the video he also showcased that this back plate has been so well sealed that you can't just use a magnet or a GoPro suction tool to get that thing off. And then on top of that, he took this lock and he actually cut through the entirety of the lock, the whole thing, and he said it was almost like solid metal inside. And when he even cut the board and tried to jump the wires, it wouldn't unlock. And so whatever you do, don't cut it in half because it won't ever unlock. But this thing is amazing. It's cool. It's heavy duty. It can store tons of fingerprints. We're gonna actually be using this in our storage locker for all of our gear and all of our equipment and our sound coffin. So this will basically be the way that people get in to use equipment for our studios. So that's pretty awesome. We're gonna show you real quick how the app works. You load it in, you can actually give access to people through the app. You can actually see how the app has been used, how people are basically, like how many people are using the thumbprint, how many people are using the Bluetooth to specifically unlock it. And you can really track what's going on with the lock almost in real time. And that's really awesome, a feature of this lock. So check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll be having a couple more open box videos from CES, and we'll have more down the line. Thank you again.